What's up, fellas? Today we're gonna go outside. Got a little rain day today, partial rain day. So I got myself a new camera, GoPro 13, and we got ourselves some Taco Bell. I'm about to go outside. Go fly this drone, boy. Wowzers. Look at that. Look at that. A little setup. What's up, fellas? So, we about to be flying our Tinyhawk. See, look at that. This thing, I've had this thing for over a year. Holy smokes, dude. He's beat up. Look at this. This is probably about the second Tinyhawk 3 Plus HDZero I've had. Look at that. You see right up on yonder? It's not doing too hot. Not doing too hot. But we're gonna be fixing it. Oh, is my camera dying? Jesus. Well, I thought my camera was dying, but it's not. So, yeah. Basically, I bought this camera because got a new bike, and I'm going to be I'm gonna be doing motorcycle vlogs, and I'm gonna be going different places, I guess. A little like camping trips. Whoa, God. But yeah, look at this. I'm gonna try to get in front of you guys so you can see it. Woo! Lordy, Lord, Lord. Alright. Well, anyway, yeah. I would definitely recommend Tinyhawk. Just because they're really friendly to like most people. You can crash them quite a bit, and it's not a big deal. They have a really good HDZero option, which is honestly, like, it's like DJI, but like, it's a little bit different. Obviously, DJI is better, but you don't get the latency. Woo! You don't get the latency of DJI. So, you know, that's not something you want. Especially, you know, I used to have a little 5-inch. I used to have a 5-inch drone. You can see on one of my shorts. And that drone was definitely fast. That was an insanely fast drone. My very first drone, believe it or not, I took it to Tom Brown Park. And I didn't really know anything about like FPV drones at all. Like, I did not understand the capacity of FPV race drones. And it was a DJI. It was a DJI FPV drone. And you would think DJI, you know, auto, everything's auto, all that. Wrong. Not auto. When I did go to fly it, it's at Tom Brown, decent sized park where I live in Tallahassee, and like, I tried doing manual mode, and it freaking knows, like, I was going extremely fast. I got at least 80 miles per hour, and like I just nose dived into the dirt because I wasn't trying to, you know, like hit anyone. Obviously not. But yeah, that's why I say these drones right here are, if you're getting the FPV, really the best ones you can buy because they're automatically set up with the goggles. Automatically set up with your transmitter, which this is a what is it? 10. Dang, I'm not really good at my knowledge, but let's see. HDZero. Anyways, the transmitter that comes with the HDZero is a really good. It's the newer one. It's really good signal. Let's just say that. I totally forget the name, but regardless, whatever. Yeah, these are really great. I only recommend getting. I've had this drone for over a year and a half, or over a year and a half, and what I've noticed is, one, when you try replacing the frame on this, I would definitely be very careful. There's a connector inside here for the antenna that you have to remove somehow. Don't break it. Not an easy fix. Not gonna lie to you, I'm probably gonna just use a lighter to just like, melt this. That's just me, but I'm not really trying to like deal with all that. But it's just time consuming. I'm not trying to do all that, you know, really. But what I was gonna tell you is, I had bought these batteries. So these are batteries you can get on Amazon. They are GN3 Flight. And you know, they're cheaper than the E-Maxes, right? Well, the E-Maxes, and I would highly recommend getting the E-Maxes. Cause these GN3s, they have 90C/180C, right? And the GN3s, yes, is 660 milliamp, but these E-Maxes, I'm telling you, for power and for longevity of the battery, you're gonna want the E-Maxes. They're the ones that make it. I'm telling you, they're the ones you're gonna want. But yeah, I've had a lot of these drones. I had one time I had well, I was at Tom Brown and I got one of my FPV drones stuck up in there, and I took one of these, and at that time I had the Tinyhawk Pro. So it was the analog version, and you know, I had a bright idea to tape a string around here and fly it above, like you see that tree right there, well, take a little string, right, fly this thing over, like you see over the branch or whatever. Cause imagine you see right there, that's where the drone is stuck, right? So I fly this little drone over yonder, right? And then I would, sit down here. Then I would you know, pull on the string and seesaw. Well, I actually got I got 2 drones stuck, which is pretty exciting. And if you live in Tallahassee, Florida, you will be able to grab those drones if they're still there. I mean, they've been there for like 2 or 3 years, but if they're still there, you can have them. But yeah, I put him down there. But yeah, the main reason for making these vlogs is really just I guess documentation purposes, I guess. But yeah, I want to record my motorcycle adventures and woo! Oh, just what's going on. See, look at that. Woo! I guess just what's going on, my little adventures and all that. Yeah, that's it, I guess. You know. I would pause this video, but apparently fine. But yeah, I mean, nothing really much going on over here. I've been hearing a lot of dudes at work been talking about, people being rude and all this, and people wanting to quit because, someone's rude as so and so and whatnot, and and that's what professionalism is like a really important thing. And the reason is, like, okay, doesn't matter how you date. The reason why you need to be respectful to everyone is because, well, it doesn't matter if you like someone or not. I mean, you can completely hate someone, but, if you don't respect someone, they're going to notice that. And then they're not going to be wanting to be on a team. And if you don't have a team working all together, right, and you're missing teammates, you won't be able to get the job done or complete the mission, right? So that's why it's always very important, no matter how you feel about someone, it does not matter. Treat them with respect. Don't let no one disrespect you, obviously, but also just Army ethos, really. If you want to be productive in life, respect is something that will get you pretty far. Dang it, dude. I just crashed my drone. How do you think I feel about that? Not too great, buddy. I'm just kidding. Go look at this thing. Look at her. Perfectly fine. Wow. Look at her. See, this is exactly why you buy these drones. You can literally just, don't matter. Don't matter at all. Watch this. Ready? Sailing. Perfectly fine. You want to really whip this thing? Nah, I'm just gonna kidding. I mean, I'll whip it, but look at that. The only bad thing about these things is when the screw comes out, because that screw will definitely come out, and it's really annoying. Because when you crash these things, like you don't really need to worry about, like, I mean, the most that will happen to your drone is like that the little frame thing breaking or like cracking or whatever, which you don't have to replace the frame. And I'll show you the frame I had before. It's still good. Well, I don't know if I still have it. Maybe I threw one out. But my biggest complaint is these freaking screws, dude. They always come out. I'm telling you, they always come out, and they should just give you like a whole bunch of these screws, because they're gonna come out. While we're at it, this is the spot that that's where I fly all the way through. I love that one spot. There's a spot over here. I'll show you. So we're talking about the spot. I love this spot. Or fly right through this puppy. Look at this. I'll go right through here and zoom on by, buddy. Zoom on by. Look at that spacing. Wow. Bam, bam, bam. Go closer. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. When it comes to micro FPV racing, I'm the champion, dude. When it comes to utility locating, I'm the champion too. And when it comes to bike racing, nah. But I mean, I know how to ride though. I won't crash. I'm decent at riding. I don't do track. Mainly because I don't want to pay for track days. $250. Not me, bro. I'd rather spend my money on like a GoPro or something like that. You know? So, alright. Ciao, fellas.